Early morning start, we're going to try a parking lot for some surface finds, a few coins, probably nothing really old. Maybe get lucky and find a piece of jewelry, we'll see. And I'll get with you on the first find. Here we go. Literally like 2 minutes I've been here, and there's the target. So I want to take you through the process here. Today I am using Field 1, which I normally don't use. I usually use Park 2, but I'm going to a big Florida Hunt 7 and I'll be using Field 1, and I just want to get used to the settings, try it out. This looks like a good place, so I have this set up on Field 1. I'm using the Equinox 800, and we'll go through the settings here. Ground balance 0, volume all the way up, no headphones. That's just so you guys can hear the tones, but I would encourage you to use headphones when you have a chance. Threshold, I'll leave it 0. Target tones, I like 5. I know some jack it way up, but I just can't handle all those different tones. I like 5. I think that's a good area. Accept and reject at 9, and then I've got the recovery speed set. Oops, I missed that. 6. What I want you to see here is getting a first target. Been here 2 minutes. Getting a 26. Now you want a repeatable signal. This could be a dime or a coin. See, it's very, very repeatable. Now you're going to move to the side, a little side step, just to double check. And there we go, we have it again. You want to make sure it's not a wire. You know, you can sweep the area. You don't, you know, there's nothing else here, a pipe or a wire. Just that 26 going off right here. So we're gonna dig it. Let's see what we got. And you know, actually, it's pretty deep for being in this parking lot. Huh. We use a pin pointer. And this is the Profine 35. We're just gonna move it nice and slow and find it. So we know it's right in here. Right there, folks. I didn't feel anything. I feel it. There it is. No, I dropped it. There it is. Right there. And we have a dime. That's a 25. Called it up front, 25 or a coin, but I thought it was a dime. 25 is usually a dime. There we go. First find of the morning. Put it in the pouch. All right, got another coin signal, 13. That's usually a nickel. I know it's out of the hole. So we're going to check again with the pin pointer, go nice and slow. And we know it's right here. So let's just sift away a little bit at a time, see if we can find it. I see something. That's a root. But we know it's right in here. Oh, there we go. There's something right here. That thing is dark. And it's a nickel. 13's a nickel. Comes up as a 13 on the Equinox 800. Hey, I forgot to put the gloves on, so play it safe. Good idea, too. All right, getting a repeatable 25, 26 right here. Let's check it out. Okay, so we know it's still in the plug. Right in here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Right there, it's a dime, another 25. Dime on the Equinox. Yeah. Quarter. Big quarter. Ooh, all right, change of plans. So I just found a quarter. The gentleman I got permission from is, he was just telling me that in the back part of this was an old mechanics place. So I'm gonna try back there first before I finish up this parking lot, because he's gonna be doing some work. He said they're cutting trees and cleaning and all that, so I'll try the back first. Here we go. Getting a good signal. Didn't sound like a coin. It's kind of jumping around. 16, 18. Let's give it a try. We're in the back section now. Now I did switch back to part 2 because being in this section back here is going to be a lot more trash. So I'm not in field 1 anymore. And there's some people showing up. So let's see what we got here. Something right here. Oh, dude, it's a ring. I think it sure is. Looky there. I bet you that's sterling. Looks like it's been hit by a shovel. You can see it's a little ornate on it too. Nice. Yeah, ringy in the back. That's going in a special pocket. Dang. Nice, nice, nice. Put that bad boy here. Oh, we'll put it right here. There we go. It's right in my hand. Let's see if I can check it out. Oh, that just feels old. Don't even have the dirt off of it. It just feels old. Maybe not though. You get fooled by these pennies. Hard to tell. No. Stinking Lincoln. That boy was that deep. We'll try. Oh, I knocked it out. There it is. It's a quarter. Just an old quarter. Quarter. Sweet. So this, ooh, it's still stuck. That's a penny, and apparently it was resting next to this. You can see how that come off. Imprint of the penny. Yep, I drop it, of course. Yeah, nice. Love that when they stick in the soil. Man, good hunting's out here. Yeah, you can barely hear that. There's something there deep. Look how soft that is, folks. It's like butter. Look at that. Nice soft floors, man. All right, let's lift this out. It's deep, folks. Ugh. Ooh. Ooh. Deep, dirty dime. Look at that. Not sure what that is, guys. I popped that out of the hole. It looks like a knob, but it was down deep. Not real sure. Maybe a button? I don't know. I'm digging the look, so it looks very cool. Awesome. Nice bullet. Yeah, just sitting out here in the middle of nowhere. As much as I hate to wear gloves, I gotta admit you should, but look, right here it looks like a penny, but look at the glass that popped up all around it. Pieces of glass everywhere in this little hole. There's another piece down in the hole. And then of course, there's the penny. Guys, 1 penny, 2nd penny, 3rd penny. You wonder, how do these pennies get here? I mean, this is up next to a tree and a fence. Guys always talk about trees. And right there, just popped another dime. And guys, I just popped these out of the hole on a 16. It looks like 2 miniature horses. Look at that. There could be more in here. It looks like a charm or something come apart. As I suspected, I double checked the hole. There was 2, and now there's appears to be a 3rd one right. I can see it right here. And I can actually see where the bracelet or little end of it. So it looks like another little horse. There's another one right there. Look at there. That's 4. Oh, there it is. Look. Number 5. I'm gonna lose count here in a minute. Guys, there's number 6. Still popping up. I see something right there. Yep. There's number 7. Well, that was pretty cool. We just pulled out 7 unicorn horse heads. I'm not real sure till I get them cleaned up, but man, that was, they weren't deep. It's just so small and hard to see, but that was cool fun. I enjoyed it. We found so many coins, we're gonna do a speed round, so hang on, here we go. Another Lincoln. No, it looks like a dime. It's a penny. Another quarter, folks. There it is, it's a penny. A lot of dimes here. Quarter, look at there, a nickel. Penny, penny, penny. Penny, there we go, quarter, a dime. You don't want to miss this segment, folks. I'm going to bring you stories from the COPTECH Vault. That's right, stories covering my 32 years as a law enforcement officer. Stand by. I'm going way back to my first 2 years on the SWAT team. Back then it was called the Special Tactical Alert Team. So I did a couple of years, and I was what they call the Grenadier. And that's a fancy word for the guy that shoots tear gas. And I did that the 2 years that I was on the team. So on this particular call out, this gentleman was wanted. He was barricaded inside, I believe, his parents' house. And we were there to take him into custody. And he was talking with negotiators saying that he would not be taken alive. He was not going to come out, and he was going to kill the first cop that come through the front door. Now for me, that's where I step in. That's where the Grenadier gets his gas and gets him out of the house. All right, guys, so we was in a neighbor's house. It was evacuated, and there was a side door. We opened up that side door and we just left it open, just like this. The door was wide open. So I fired 3 rounds of tear gas right through the window. And the goal was to move around the house, get enough gas in there, and he would come out. And he did, within about 10 minutes. This was an 8-hour standoff, and the good thing is he was taken into custody without being injured, and no officers got hurt. The only person that felt any pain was his face with that tear gas. But guys, what I didn't know, after he come out, we had to go in the house and make it clear, make sure no one else was in there, and there wasn't. Directly on the other side of that window that I just shot the tear gas through was a large saltwater tank. So we went in and fish were flopping all over the floor. I just wiped out this huge saltwater fish tank. And you know, the fish were just collateral damage, I guess, man. They were everywhere. Those things happen. I had no idea of knowing. So he went to jail, bad guy went to jail. There's his photo right there. And the fish got a decent burial. Not much we could do for them. that's my COPTECH story. That was funny. That was well over 30, probably 30 years ago, 25, 30 years ago. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next dig.
Question.